I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings. But success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down.
Oke guys, jadi sore ini kita lagi sedang ala Yuyutuk. Oke guys, karena ini udah sore, jadi waktunya kita pulang. Terima kasih untuk yang udah menonton video ini. Jangan lupa like, comment, and subscribe for more video coming yang ngomong bahasa Inggris lah, bahasa Inggris. Oke, see you, bye.